guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be doing a slime video on my slime. But this one, but this half and half. You hear me? Like, this how I got it. Like, when I put it together, it's like a big old slime, and I don't like know like some big old slimes. But sometimes I like to sometimes. So this time I'm just like break it, and if I could break it. Okay, that's ain't none of this real slime because I can barely break it. Some of the real, this one up into a ball. And then I got the other one.
And in the comments, y'all have to guess what it's gonna be.
Guys,
Okay?
I got a good thing going on. Well, my slime, like, they gotta really take meat up in here. Like, yeah.
I'm gonna be making things, you have to guess it in the comments.
Okay, this stuff good. It's kind of like clear salmon, it's kind of not. It's kind of not. It's like,
Alright, so I'm just gonna give you a hint. It's called a desi. I can't really make it that good because my people go like slime.
already slime. Too good.
We're gonna have to clean those out from the still. I like something like that. Silly putty. Love it. I'm not gonna do this video.
Silly putty. Oh God, I was distracted.
If I like stay here, right, like for like one more day, I might do a video where I just stay up one night and check on everybody.
With me.
Where they sleep. Yeah, with Jim. We're gonna be vlogging without any phones.
I might start a vlog today, guys. I don't know. And say you might do a little vlog thing too.
Check out Snow Day, guys.
Oh yeah, go check out Snow Day, guys. It's so fun. It's so funny. Guys.
I
know how to make a fidget spinner.
Guys, I don't know if I can show you guys. I have to fix it. I'm gonna go put my phone on. So, this is my favorite slime.
Who's that? Oh, hey, Rashana. Oh.
It really got pink fidget spinners in the store just in case you know.
Damn!
Oh my god! Thank you.
Oh, the code.
Guys, don't fall keep falling. I'm so sorry.
Oh, see, I did sorry. Okay.